So you are welcome back. I quickly want us to solve this question. It's still on arithmetic progression. Given that the 7th term is equal to 23, nth term is equal to 43, and 2 nth term is equal to 91 for an AP, find A, D, and N. And we know that A in sequence or in arithmetic progression is the first term, the D is the common difference, and N is the number of term. So to write the 7th term, it is like A plus 6D. And A plus 6D was given to be 23. So it's equal to 23. So we label this one as equation 1. The nth term is like A plus N minus 1D. And A plus N minus 1 multiplied by D was given to be 43. So label that one as equation 2. And the 2 nth term, that is anywhere you see N, you put 2N instead of N. So, and it was given to be 91 multiplied by D is equal to 91. So label that one as equation 3. So now expand equation 2 and equation 3. So A plus N multiplied by D, ND. Negative 1 multiplied by D, negative D is equal to 43. It is still equation 2. And expand equation 3. A plus 2N multiplied by D is equal to 2ND. Negative 1 multiplied by D, negative D is equal to 91. It is still equation 3. Now, you can use elimination method because we have simultaneous equation now. So using elimination method, so subtract equation 2 from equation 3. Subtract equation 2 from equation 3 to produce this one. So A equation 2, want to write equation 3 now. A plus 2ND minus D. So then we want to subtract equation 2 from it. So minus the whole of equation 2, A plus ND minus D. So it's equal to 91 minus 43. So expanding it, A plus 2ND minus D. Negative multiplied by positive A, it gives negative A. Minus multiplied by plus ND is equal to minus ND. Minus multiplied by N minus D gives plus D is equal to 91 minus 43 gives 48. So here positive A cancel negative A. Negative D cancel positive D. So we are left with 2ND minus ND gives ND is equal to 48. So label this one as equation 4 and keep it aside. Now, let's now go to equation 2 from equation 2. And our equation 2 is A plus ND minus D is equal to 43. This is equation 2. Label it again. Substitute the value of ND, which we got it to be equal to 48 in equation 4. So this is equation 4. So substitute it inside into equation 2. So we have A plus, wherever we see ND, we put 48. 48 minus D is equal to 43. So from here, A minus D is equal to 43. If plus 48 goes out, it becomes minus 48. So A minus D is equal to minus 5. And label this one as equation 5. So now from here we can say that our A is equal to minus 5 plus D. So if you like, you label that one as well. So now put or substitute A is equal to minus 5 plus D into equation 1. Equation 1. And equation 1, you now write equation 1 again. A plus 6D is equal to 23. That is equation 1. So that means wherever we see A here, we put minus 5 plus D there. So minus 5 plus D plus 6D is equal to 23. So here we have minus 5 plus 7D, that is D plus 6D gives 7D, is equal to 23. So 7D is equal to 23. Minus 5, if it goes out, it becomes plus 5. So 7D is equal to 28. So divide both sides by 7. This 7 cancels 7. So D, how many 7 can we get in 28? That is 4. So D is equal to 4. So we have gotten D, the common difference, to be equal to 4. So we can easily find the value of A from equation 1 again. So now that we have gotten our D to be equal to 4, so from equation 1, which is A plus 6D is equal to 23, equation 1, so we can easily find our D from here. So by substituting, wherever we see D, we put 4 there. So A plus 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 23. So A plus, this is 24, is equal to 23. So A is equal to 23 minus 24. So A is equal to minus 1. So we have known the value of D. We have known the value of A. So from the nth term, Tn, which is A plus n minus 1D, and it was A plus ND minus D is equal to 43. So substitute the value of A and value of D here for us to find N. So on A, we got minus 1 for it. So we got 4 for D minus 4. Or better still, let's factorize the value of, let's choose this one straight away. So A plus N minus 1D is equal to 43. So A is equal to minus 1 plus N minus 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 43. So from here, let's minus 1 goes out. N minus 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 43 plus 1. So N minus 1 is equal to 44. Put 4 here. 4 is equal to 44. So divide both sides by 4. We divide both sides by 4. We have 4 cancel 4. 4 here, 1, 4 here, 11. So N minus 1 is equal to 11. And N is equal to 12. So we have gotten A to be equal to minus 1, D to be equal to 4, and N to be equal to 12. So if you look at it, it's somehow logical, but if you take your time and be patient with it, you are good to go. So till I see you in the next class, thank you and God bless you.